And he's, buddy, what are we doing here today with danger in 3 different languages and this crazy contraption on?
We're about to go skydiving.
About to go skydiving, huh? Whose crazy idea was that?
My crazy idea.
You're crazy. You're one of those kind of people, huh?
Yep, just doing crazy shit.
Any particular occasion?
My birthday tomorrow.
Nice, nice.
Yep.
How old you gonna turn?
22.
Big 2-2, my friend.
Yes,
Hopefully
sir.
we live to see that one, huh?
Yes, sir.
You ready to do this?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Smile big.
right,
Have
let's
fun.
get it.
Any
Thank
famous
you.
last words before we make this happen?
Nope, no famous words. Let's get it out. Let's get
do
it.
this.
Halfway there. What's going through your mind, buddy?
Nothing. I'm ready to get out of here and get down.
Nice, nice.
Yo.
You ready to make this happen then, yeah?
What?
You ready to make this happen then, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Aaron, you ready to make this happen? Next time we see you in these, it's gonna be outside this airplane. Smile big. Have fun. Let's do this. Tell me about your favorite part of that ride.
The free fall.
Nice,
That was
nice.
fucking incredible.
Awesome. Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
Awesome. Give that man that just saved your life a big old high five.
Good job, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Welcome to skydiving in these.
Let's go.
Woo!